Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Pinterest and signing in. Make sure your device has at least 100 MB free so downloads don't fail. Next, search precise keywords like live wallpaper, cinematograph, or 3D wallpaper so results are relevant. Tap a promising pin, inspect the image type, GIF, video, or linked image, and locate the download or link button. Once you find the original file or source, copy the post link and prepare a downloader app or browser extension so you can grab the action. Once you have the pin link, use a trusted downloader or extension to save the video or GIF to your device. Make sure the app supports Pinterest media. After downloading, convert the file if needed. Mobile live wallpapers often require MP4 or MOV on Android or a live photo format on iOS. Use a converter app to change formats. Trim the clip to 5-12 seconds and export at your screen resolution. Make sure the frame rate is smooth, so the wallpaper loops cleanly without stutter. To install, open Settings or your Live Wallpaper app and select the converted file. On Android, choose Set as Live Wallpaper in your launcher, and on iOS, convert the clip to a live photo, then assign it to the lock screen. Adjust loop and animation settings so it behaves how you want. If the wallpaper won't play, re-encode at a lower bitrate or resize to match your display, and check app permissions for storage and background activity. This usually resolves playback or compatibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.